Go.
This is awesome.
Today we're out here with Momo and his lifted Forester, and we're shaking down our little Honda car, our gambler car. Just mobbing some logging access roads and just hanging out in the OHV area. So we're gonna go see what this thing can do. Oh, that's not good. That's not a good noise, D. We already broke something. I guess we're just gonna have to park on hills now.
Momo, give him a little push.
Giving the old Gambler 500 car a push, you know.
Ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Oh, we're golden, man. Yeah, so just park on hills. That's what we're gonna have to do for now.
You think we can do that?
Let's try it.
Yeah.
What the hell? I need you to spot me though to make sure I'm not gonna hit the oil pan. Just stand at the top and tell me which way to go, Momo. Hey, those tires work pretty good.
Did a little one-tire dirt fire.
I know, that's the problem. Being an open diff, it's like really hard to try and get traction. You just gotta get some momentum. I'm surprised we didn't scrape.
Well, you had to straddle, like we would have.
Yeah, no, there was no way I wasn't gonna hit the, the tranny or the pan on the bottom of that.
These roads are probably a little bit more mild than what we're gonna get at Gambler, but yeah, you know, as far as Shakedown goes and just driving around,
yeah,
like, this is awesome.
Nice thing is about this thing is like it's so narrow, wheelbase is so narrow that you can pretty much dodge anything, even on a single lane road like this. I mean, the suspension's doing great. These tires, even though they're really hard compound, they cut in the gravel really well. And when we were doing that little hill climb, all we had to do is get some momentum and the tires just seemed to grab. I'm really surprised at how this thing's doing.